What's up fam? Welcome back to the channel. How's everybody doing today? In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this lovely orange and purple neon look along with our glitter cut crease. But first, we're going to be doing something a little bit different with our channel. We're going to be shouting out our top supporters from our last video. We have YouTubers Mila's Mind and Nyla Allure, along with our newest subscriber, Queen Sapphire. Thank you guys for your continued support, and if you guys want a chance to be on our top supporters list, just make sure you keep on commenting down below. Let me know what you guys think about my looks and continue to support the channel. Let's go ahead and jump in. All right, y'all. As you guys can see, I have a new background. This is my room. First time showing it. Whoop whoop. Starting off, we're using our Morphe palette, the Bronze Bay, and we're going for our skin tone color. This is Hang 10, and this is going to be our transitional shade. So you're just going to go ahead and apply this all over your top brow bone and a little bit into like the middle of the lid, because like I said, this is our transition color. So next, we're going to go into one of our major players. This is the Zulu's palette by Juvia's Place, and we're going for that deep purple. This is like my favorite purple ever. This is going to go basically to our middle lid. You're going to go ahead and start blending that in with that brown. These are our base colors, so we can have a very, very pigmented neon. So just make sure you are packing on as much color as you can while also blending in with that brown. Moving on, in that same palette, we're going for that orange. And this orange is going to go basically all over the rest of your lid. So that whole bottom part right there. Now, I know orange and purple don't really mix that well. They kind of look mucky. But trust me, girl, the end product is going to be amazing. So pack on that orange and make sure you're blending it with that purple. Now, if you lose some of that purple, you can always go back just to reapply, because you want both of them to be pigmented yet blended. So now we're moving to our first neon color. This is one of the eyeshadows that I will be selling with my company. This is our color Frisky. This is a very, very, very pigmented neon purple. So you're gonna go ahead and add this where you had that previous purple, but you wanna make sure that you are really, really focusing on blending, because like I said, you don't want any harsh lines with this highly pigmented purple. So just make sure you're blending as you go. Moving on to the next color in our neon family, we have our Blazin orange. Blazin, girl. Now, you're going to go ahead and apply this to the bottom half of your lid. This color is, again, very, very highly pigmented. The key to using these neon powders is you would need a really, really soft brush. That way you get a proper blend, because, like, who wants to see those harsh lines? Like, girl, that's ugly. You're doing too much. Blend it out. So now we're going to go ahead and move on. We are adding our glitter. This is a yellow gold by Adhesive, and you're basically just going to follow the contour line of your eyeball. Like, I cannot stress that enough, that you want to use a very, very, very light hand when you're applying this glitter, because it'll get everywhere and then you're going to be looking like a hot mess and you're going to be mad. So the key is to move very, very slow. Now, my video is sped up, but it took me a really long time to make sure I got my line perfect. So now that we have our base, we're going to go ahead with some loose glitter, and we're using a yellow gold as well. And you're basically just gonna add this to where you put your other one. This is a stronger glitter and I don't want to be there all day trying to make the liner pop, so I just use that as a sticky base and then I go over it with some loose glitter. So moving on, we're gonna start doing our eyeliner wing. Now I did stop showing this a long time ago just because I felt like it was really repetitive, but I'm thinking about switching up my makeup routine again, so I'm deciding to show it in this video. So you're using our regular black liner. You can use any liner for this, and you're just gonna, you know, draw out your wing. Now what I do is I start off really thin on the inside, then I thicken up in the middle, and then I thin out again once I reach the outside of my eye. Now that we've done our black liner, we're actually going to go in again with that gold liner, and you're basically just going to go on top of the black liner. This is like an additional eyeliner wing, just to spice things up a little bit. Now we're going to go ahead and add our mascara. I am using the Mega Length by Wet n Wild. I got this mascara for $1 at the Dollar Tree. Any mascara will work for me. Like I'm really not picky about mascaras. So go ahead, fluff up your eyelashes. You're going to go up a few times and then you're going to go down a few times just to make sure you have an even base for your lashes. Now, I am using my own personal lashes that I will be selling with my company as well. I call these Katana. These are super gorgeous. These are 3D minks and I absolutely love these. They're like super full and like they're just so great. So this is how my eyes are looking so far. Like, look at that. That's so freaking amazing. Like, those lashes are like super popping, girl. Yes. So we're gonna go ahead and finish our face. We've added our foundation, our blush, and everything. So now we're gonna go ahead and add our eyeliner to our waterline. Here I'm taking some of that leftover neon pigment that I have on my brush, and I'm actually going to go ahead and follow my bottom lash line. That way I have some color underneath as well. For my inner tear ducts, I'm not using a highlighter this time. I'm going to go in with our glitter base booster adhesive. You're going to go ahead and add that to the inner tear duct, and then you're going to follow up with that same yellow gold loose glitter that we had, just to make everything pop. Moving on to our highlight, we're going to go ahead with our Kiss Rose Professional. This is a shimmer palette. I absolutely love it. You're going to go ahead and add a little bit to your nose and add a little bit to your brow bone, and boom, girl, you are ready to go. Girl, you know I'm lying. We got to add our lip. So we're going in with our deck of Scarlet. This is our shimmer gloss. Super amazing color, super cute. You're gonna go ahead and start applying some of this, and then we're gonna go ahead and follow up with our AOA Studios Wonder Metal Liquid Lipstick. This is in their color Icey. I got this for $1 and it is amazing. So this is the finished look. I think this is amazing. Please go ahead and let me know what you guys think about this look in the comments down below. Like, share, subscribe. If you want to see other videos, I'll have them in the description below. I'll see you guys in my next video.